This is a complete website design for a skincare brand. And from the initial idea to the final design, the whole process took me just 2 hours. Normally, designing an entire website means hours of planning, sitemaps, wireframes, layouts. And when you're working alone, that prep work eats up most of your time before design even starts. So I tried out a few different website builders to speed things up, but honestly, they all led to pretty similar results. Most of them are template-based, so you're basically starting with a predefined layout. That's when I realized I needed something different, something that helps with planning first, not just the layout. And that's where Relume comes in. Instead of starting with templates, Relume helps you define the structure of your website first using AI-generated sitemaps and wireframes. So you're not locked into someone else's layout right from the start. So let me show you how you can incorporate Relume into your design process and save a ton of time. Alright, let's start by creating a new project. Here, you just type your prompt to generate the sitemap for your website. Set how many pages you want, and now click Generate. It'll take a couple seconds. And there you go. The entire sitemap is ready. You can add new pages and generate sitemap for it. You can tweak the structure, rearrange things, basically customize everything however you want. Once you're happy with the sitemap, switch over to the Wireframe tab to generate the wireframes. This part takes a little time, so give it a moment. And there we go. All the wireframes are ready based on the sitemap. As you can see, it has created the full layout and even written the copy for you. You can replace or rearrange any component. Let's start with the navbar. You can pick whichever style you like, and it'll generate the content for it automatically. Now let's change the hero section layout. I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, this looks good. If you don't like the text, you can regenerate the copy. Let's add a new section here. Just pick a style and it generates the content automatically. You can modify these sections also. Let's quickly set up the rest of the sections. Don't worry about perfection here. You can always refine everything later in the design stage. And if you want new text, you can regenerate the copy anytime. And let's pick this footer. Alright, the entire homepage wireframe is done. And you can repeat the same workflow for all the other pages as well. Now let's move over to the style guide section. This is where the wireframes really start coming to life. Ideally, you'd come in with a full brand identity. Colors, fonts, images, everything. But for this video, we're going to explore what Relume can do on its own first. Once we've seen that, we'll go ahead and add our colors, fonts, and brand assets. You can click here to generate different themes. Just click here, or press the spacebar to shuffle through ideas super quickly. Here you can adjust all the colors. And if you click on any section, you can update its background color right away. You can also shuffle the fonts here to quickly preview different font options. You can tweak font size, weight, and style from here. You can also shuffle just the fonts. And if you lock the font and shuffle the concept, the font stays the same while everything else changes. Here you can also set the button styling. A bunch of different styles available here. You can tweak the border radius, adjust how rounded things feel. Even you can change the styles for cards and images as well. Feel free to keep shuffling until you find a color scheme, typography, and UI style you actually like. Now let's add the brand identity. First, let's upload the logo. Next, let's set the primary and secondary colors. Click on any section to apply them, and you can also set different shades. Let's set the font sizes to regular. I'll change the background color of a few sections so they stand out more and grab attention. Now let's update the fonts. I'll use DM Sans for the body text. You can also change images directly inside Relume, so let's quickly update all of those. One super cool thing is that you can create multiple concepts. This is great for showing different design directions to your client. Let's create another one. And now we have two concepts ready in minutes. You can easily present both of them right here. Once all the styling for the homepage is done, head over to the Design tab. Here's the nice part. All the other pages automatically inherit the same color scheme and UI styles from the homepage. You can still go in and tweak their components, colors, and anything else you want to adjust. And once you're happy with all the pages, you can export the whole project straight into different formats like Figma, Webflow, React, or HTML. Let's export this project into Figma. To export, open the Figma kit here. Now go to the design page. Search for the Relume plugin and run it. Select your project. You can import the sitemap, wireframes, style guide, or the full design. I'll import the design first. For now, I'll bring in just the homepage. Choose the concept and start importing. This takes a little time. And we're in. As you can see, this easily saved around 7 hours of work. The imported design is fully editable. You can change literally everything. If we go to the style guide page, you'll see all the typography, all the colors used, buttons, and even the icons. Everything is here. Basically, this page contains the full design system, so creating new designs becomes super easy. Let's jump back to the design page and make a few changes to the homepage. Since everything is built using Figma components, you don't have to repeat changes over and over. For example, if I want to change the primary button color, just open the main component. Make the changes, and it'll update across the entire page automatically. Other buttons stay the same because they're not using the primary style. Let's quickly make the changes to the other sections as well. And if you want to change any specific color, just update it from the Variables panel. As you can see, it instantly updates across the whole page. And there we go. The final design is ready. You can follow the exact same workflow for mobile designs and all the other pages too. Alright, that's the full breakdown of how I designed a skincare landing page in just a few hours using Relume. The real difference here wasn't skipping steps. It was letting Relume handle the structure so I could focus on the creative direction. If you're a designer who's tired of starting from a blank page, or you want to speed up your workflow without losing quality, Relume is honestly a game changer. You can find the Relume website link in the description. Do check it out and let me know what you think about the tool. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.